Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Princess Banigos and I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based right here in Lagos. I create content around family, lifestyle, food vlogs, and welcome to the channel, the Banigos. My sons, they are here, so if you hear any side noise, please bear with me. So yes, today I'll be doing an unboxing. So earlier this year I was trusting God, to get some equipment, some gadgets to, help upgrade my YouTube quality and all that. And finally I'm able to get some of the things I need. I'm not there yet, but I was like, okay, let me come and unbox it with you guys, since some people right here on YouTube helped out in getting some of the stuffs. So let me just come here and open it up with you guys. So let's just jump right into it. The banigos. Thank you to all the returning subscribers. You guys are awesome. You guys are the reasons why I was still here. And to all the new subscribers that will be coming across this video, thank you guys so much. And yes, let's just jump right into it. Before I start opening the things I got, there's something here that I did not buy. It is actually what I don't know, yes. I didn't get every of the stuff here. I actually won one. Like, it was a giveaway. And I'm excited. This tripod is a giveaway, and it's a giveaway from Joyce. Joyce, thank you so much. Joy, I appreciate you. Joy is a Nigerian YouTuber based right now in Dubai. Yes, and I won this on her channel, and Joy contacted me to get this, and I felt like, okay, let me just get some of the stuff I needed from the man. This is a tripod. It's a camcorder camera tripod. Like, I have a tripod, but it's not, you guys know what belongs to your husband belongs to you, kinda. But like, this is my own tripod now. I've been using my husband's tripod, but right now I have my own tripod, and I'm unboxing it up with you guys. Ooh. Fam. I'm so excited. Like, I don't know, man. This is so portable and cute. Thank you so much, Joy. I know I said thank you 1,000 times, but thank you. So this is how it came. I took out the carton, and then I saw a bag, and there's another nylon wrapping it, and this is the tripod. I'm going to show you guys how it looks in a vlog, so watch out for my vlog. Like, when I mount it, I'm going to show you guys how it looks. But it looks so solid and sleek. Joy, hey, man, I don't know what to say, babes, but this is nice. I love it so much. So this is how it looks. Thank you so much, Joy. Thank you, Joyce. I'm going to show you guys how it actually looks in the vlog. So yeah. And the next thing I'm opening today is my LED 660 light. So before I got this, I considered getting a ring light a lot. I wanted to get a ring light, but I was like, okay, why not get something better? I spoke to some of my friends, and they were like, sorry guys, I spoke to my friends, why not get something better? So I got the LED 660 light, and I'm unboxing it with you guys. This is how it came. And it came with the stand also. So yeah. I'm opening. So the first thing I saw is this cord. I hope you guys can see that. And then the next thing is the adapter. I hope you guys can see that also. Then the receipts of the things I got from him. And then the lights. This is the baby. This is how it came, guys. And basically, this is the lights. Okay, it has this thingy that covers it in front, and I hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. Covers it in front, and you guys can see there's a paper still sealed. I'm opening it with you guys. Oh, okay. There you go. So yes, this is how it came. And yes, I don't know too much about these things. I'm going to keep it for when my husband comes back, so he can help me like set it up. I'm going to show you guys the setup in the vlog. Yeah, so I covered it back, and there's another cover, so I'll show you guys what that looks like in a vlog. Let me see what's in here again. Okay, then I got a memory card, 32 gig. I got this for 3,500. I'm sorry guys, the kids are here, so please bear with me. And then I got, oh man, why did this man give me this? I was going to ask him, how can he give me this? Family guys, you saw my reaction. I wasn't expecting this because I already have this. So I wasn't expecting him to give me this, and I got this for 2,000 naira. I got this for 2,000 naira. It's to, in case I want to film with my phone on the tripod, I can just use this. I already have this. And I got a battery. I hope this fits. I got a battery for my lapel mic. I hope this fits into the lapel mic. And he sold this one for 500 naira. If I knew it was just one, I would have gotten more. This one was just for 500. I should have gotten more if I had known. But yeah, this is like the thing that I need to attach to the tripod so that I can use it to film with my phone. I'm sorry, I'm just all over the place. It's late in the night. It took the light. I'm sweaty. But yeah, this is a tripod. So I know you guys will be wondering, so how much did you get the lights for? I got the lights for 50,000 naira. I got the light for 50,000, and this is a tripod. I got the tripod for 5,000, so that is 55,000. Online I was seeing lots of places 70, 80, some of the places I wanted to get it. I got this rechargeable fan. I got this rechargeable fan, but there's not, okay, wow. I got this rechargeable fan for 1,000 naira, and basically I just got it because of YouTube videos. Sometimes when you are doing YouTube, you'll be sweaty and there might be no light, so I just got it that, okay, when I charge it and there's no light, I can just put on the fan and just fan myself. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to everyone who supported me, and thank you to everyone that is still going to support me. I am not ashamed to receive support. Thank you guys so much for your constant love and support. I appreciate you all. The big dream right here is to get a laptop, and God's willing it's going to happen. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you to everyone who ever thought to send me money, to call me, to be concerned about my channel and my growth. I appreciate it all. And yes, your girl appreciates every one of you. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to my husband for his always unwavering support. Thank you for allowing me be my own woman and not being, judgy or whatever. Thank you guys so much, and I'm just gonna end this vlog and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Ciao.
Mommy, I want to match it. Mom, look at I want to touch. Give me. That one that is touching, I said don't touch. Mom, look at it. He said don't touch.